Alright boys, we're out here on the mini Slaunch Slayer. Got the little trolling motor set up. We're at this little lake that we know of locally. And we're gonna try to come out here and catch some fish. It's been tough lately. And let's see if we can get some fish. I'm really hoping we can get some fish. Last time we came out here, we didn't do so well. It was really cold, but I think today it's warmed up and it's sunny out, so I think we're gonna get on some fish. We're gonna get out here, rip some lips, and y'all stay tuned. So, yes sir. All right, boys, we're out here. I'm gonna start on the Texas rig setup, and I'm gonna be putting the old trusty dusty Okeechobee crawl on there, Bandito bug. Wind's pushing this way, blowing the water this way, so I'm just gonna sit here and let it float me in, and let's see what we can work up. See if we can catch a fat Mondo bass, you know what I'm saying? Alright, alright. Alright, let's go. Got her all tied up. Alright, let's go. Come on now. Oh, there he is. There he is. Yep, he has it. He has it. Oh my gosh, he dropped it. No. That was him. That was him, dude. Oh my gosh, he had it. Got one. There we go. Yep. Oh, he fell in the boat. Oh, he's flopping. He's flopping. There we go, boys. Ow, ow, ow. All right, chill out, chill out. There we go, boys. Small little bass. I'm gonna get y'all some underwater footage. Start doing some underwater footage. All right, little bass. We're recording on the little cam. There we go. Get that underwater footage for y'all. Underwater footage. Switching to the, of course the color is going to be Okeechobee crawl, but we're switching to the trench hog, the smaller ones. I'm going to rig it up since the wind is kicking in a little bit. Whoa, got one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What size is it?
Just a little one.
Just a little. Nice.
Just a little bitty one. Trench hog. We're gonna get this underwater footage. Let's go. Alright, let's let this little boy, let this little guy go. Yep, that's him.
Got one?
Yep.
How is he? I mean, he's pulling the boat around. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a good one. Keep your rod tip down. Don't let him come out of the water like that. That's a good one. Work him. Work him.
That's a good one.
Yep. Yes, sir. That's a nice 3.
Peeing. He's peeing.
It's BPing.
No, that's not 3. That's probably like 2. You
Yeah.
have your bag, right?
Yeah, I got the bag.
Good skill. I'll see
You're
if you
still
put it.
hitting the bottom.
I threw it right at this tree right in front of me. I threw it right off to the side of it just a little bit and crushed it.
Very nice.
Good. Bad boy. Killed it. Some pretty bass. He's a little fat. He's probably 2.5. You ready? See? 210, almost 3-pounder. Heck yeah.
Yeah,
He
210.
felt heavy.
Yeah, he looked good.
Alright.
All right, 210, boys.
210. Let's get this.
Nice. Good job, bud. Fish
I'll
bump.
do this underwater release fish
Nice
bump.
job, man.
Let's go.
Nice job. All right, let's get this underwater footage.
Real quick.
Look, you can see straight to the bottom.
Yeah,
See
I
that
can see it.
tree and that structure right there?
Sick. I don't know if you guys can see, but the way the sun's glaring on the water, you can see like through the water.
See the tree laydowns and all the structure,
The
yeah.
laydown right here is really pretty.
Awesome. All right, let's
ready?
get him.
Let's get this. It should be really clear. Back it off just a little bit. All right, boys. We're at the next spot, and last time we came here, they were bedded up. So they were right here upon the shore, and they were swimming around, but they wouldn't bite at any baits. And so we just came off that lake because it was too windy. So we're gonna see if we can catch some big ones here. Fish swimming around here. Last time this one swimming around right here. All right, I'm gonna slide down. If I see any sitting, I'll hit you up. All right. Yeah, there's one sitting right there. Is there? Look, right there. Where? Oh, I see him.
There, you see him?
There he is. There he is, guys. I think that might be the same one. Yep, he's gonna.
Nope.
Yep, he's not gonna eat it.
Hold on one second.
Oh,
he turned off.
there's 2 of them. There's 2 of them. There's 2 of them, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but there's one just swimming around right here.
He turned on that spinner. I'm gonna go see if these 2 bigger ones are
I'm
hanging out
gonna
over
toss
here.
it out there, let it sink and bob it up and down for a second. I can't put the camera down because there's all this gunk,
Yeah, true.
but I probably can just put it in the water, see if they can get a glimpse at it.
I'm gonna go down with it.
Yep, he's sitting right there.
They're so uninterested though. And there's people leaving Chapman right now.
Look at this bass, guys.
Sit the hay spot down for a second.
Oh, he picked it up. He picked it up. He's swimming off.
Get him?
Oh, he dropped it. He dropped it. He dropped it. He picked it up, dude. Did you see that?
No.
He picked it up. I'm gonna leave that guy down there alone for a good bit. See if one of these, there's one that just swam off right here. See if he'll do anything.
I'll keep moving down.
Oh. He's got it. He's got it. Oh my gosh, he had it. Dad, he picked it up and started swimming off with it. He just had it, guys. Holy crap. He picked it up and started swimming off with it. I was about to set the hook, but then he dropped it. Oh my gosh, come back for it, dude. Come back for it, man. Dude, he picked it up and dropped it. He picked it up, started swimming off with it, dude. Guys, I'm working this thing the slowest I think I've ever worked anything before. I'm working it super slow because that one over there that I just got, he picked it up and started swimming off with it. I was working it super slow and I got stuck on this thing, and like every time we'd keep bumping it, he'd go closer and closer. Here it is, here it is. Dude, he picked it up. He picked it up again. He picked it up again and started swimming off with it. Oh my gosh. When is he gonna commit, dude? When is he gonna commit? Fighting to watch your bait through the water and then see the bass, but if you get down close and try to keep pitching it on their head, they're not gonna commit because they see you. I think it's just a matter of them not seeing you. That's why I'm casting out super far and just working it super slow. I've got last time we came here and did that, we didn't get any bites because they would just sit there and swim away from it. Now I'm standing higher and just barely bringing it up and down, and he's already picked it up twice and started swimming off with it. So let's see if we can get him to hit it again. Hopefully he'll actually commit. And just, he's a good fish too. He's probably at least 3 pounds, at least a 3-pounder. He didn't grab it this time. I think he's starting to be suspicious of the bait. All right, y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you guys go like, subscribe, comment, and hit that 500 mark because we're gonna be giving something good away for sure. But nah, we hit up the lake today, then we came to this pond that we know of, and it's so weird because these bass are they're coming up shallow, getting ready to spawn, but they're not doing anything. We'll pitch our baits at them and they'll just sit there. I guarantee you can come here with any bait you want, I don't care what it is, they won't hit it. They won't do anything. I got 3 hits actually with this bait that I'm throwing, but after that they didn't do anything. You'll pitch it right on their head and they'll just swim away. But yep, that's the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, do all that, and keep slapping them, boys.